ты слышала, что в Сочи нельзя есть?
Несколько секунд. Ничего себе.
Ой,
Нет, просто
романтик.
отлично. Я вообще люблю и каждую ночь. Звезды с
Зимние ночи, мы пионеры, дети рабочие. Близится эра первых годов. Клич пионера всегда будь готов. What are you drinking?
Kompot. I like kompot.
What is it? It's just made of fresh grapes, apples, and creams. So they just boil, and then they put some sugar, and that's it. This is kompot.
Do you have to crush it?
Yeah, of course. Not much.
So like in a
Like
black
cubes.
place?
Cubes.
времени.
Not small, but like average cubes.
I like kompot from the beginning when I traveled to Uzbekistan again.
How come? Because it's
Not because it's kind of sugary, because we all Filipinos were all crazy about coke.
but it's not only about sugar, because it's
I think it's because of the fruity taste of it.
and it's it's Moldova national dish kind of. Yes. Just imagine salty watermelon.
It's pickled.
Kind of like cucumbers. This jar is 1 month old. In general, you can keep it for years and it will not spoil.
And I tried it.
And how did you like
I
it?
think it works because it's cold.
It doesn't make sense. Watermelon and salt.
In the Philippines, we use it, so it's
I
normal.
cannot imagine this mixture of tastes.
I tried it and it's okay.
And you're still alive?
So we did a stopover. What do you call this, Mariana?
Колодец.
What are those?
I don't know. There is water?
You cannot. It's like a. There you go.
Oh, okay, now
moving.
it's not about fish, please.
Oh, there's no fish?
No fish. Спасибо, спасибо, спасибо.
We're here to garden?
Can I water you?
No, I'm okay.
Because I want you to be taller.
So they decided to do a stop over here. I don't know where's this. Grapes?
Yes.
What? Where? From here?
Fruit of grape.
Wow. Interesting. But we can take? You're saying this is already collected, so these are leftovers?
I don't know. I tried it, but...
What about these red ones? What is this?
О, барбарис, может. Это виноград, эти грейп. Барбарис.
Whoa, whoa. Ouch. It's not easy.
It's so easy to...
Whoa, whoa.
Hello.
Hello. We just came out from Kaufland.
Kaufland. Yeah, I guess it's the international chain of supermarkets. There's food, everything you need to buy.
So this is the end of our journey in Ungheni. It was really nice and the town was very small, but everyone seems friendly. And thank you to Tote Ala. She was very welcoming.
Yeah, Teta Ala, she's a classmate of our father. And also we spent so much time with one more classmate, Tamara. And you know, they were so friendly. They were the closest friends until the end. It's been 1 year since Papa passed away, but they're still friends.
She toured us around her garden with all the vegetables, fruits,
And plants. Yeah.
and Genia cannot stop going to all the berries.
Yes, and cucumbers. They're so crunchy and like sweet.
And for me, it's very interesting, like coming from a tropical country. We only have banana, pineapple,
Coconut.
coconut, and mango. But I saw like raspberry, strawberry, the queens. I don't know what is queens.
You didn't know, but now you know.
Still, I don't know what it is, but it looks like it's a family of pear.
Yeah.
And there's apples. So
Big, small tomatoes, nuts. Chin chin.
from us, from Ungheni.
See you.
Thank you for
See you.
watching.
Thank you.